right. Bigger. Yo, what's up? Okay. The fuck, dude. Right, Friday. We'll do a quick stream. I got things to do, whatnot, but just wanted to discuss the situation of the game. Where's the video?
Also, du gehst jetzt mit dem Handy auf McDonald's.
Okay. So we got this gold long here. 10,000. Probably want to close this. We can see what's probably happening on gold right now is yesterday. Now I'm gonna draw this out for you guys. Pretty simple. So yesterday we lost a level, right? Technically, things are still okay because we regained this zone over here. Okay, we regained that zone. So what we needed to do is hold this level here. Okay, right? So we lost it. People are going to be selling, right? And what we need to do today is close back within this range. It looks like it's going to happen. Okay. The weekly candle is going to close quite nice too. So unless the very end of the day, basically right now, dumps down, it's going to be bullish. But ultimately, right, we are having this pullback right now, right, and failures on these levels. So it's probably going to come back down a bit, all right, and then close the day somewhere around there. We want to be bulls here, right? So we're going to leave this gold trade running. We're just going to keep that running, okay? It's already 10K in profit. So I suspect we come back down, right? On gold. But then go up ultimately, right? What's your view on gold? There you go. Told you. Respond to YouTube too? Yeah, it's all the same, dude. NASDAQ. So Bitcoin is also dumping. Bitcoin's
should add a little on Nike because yearly level and monthly levels as well.
Yeah. So this is actually really important closes right now. So everything's moving because it is the end of the month, right? We've got, what is it, a Monday? Monday's the end of the month? Right, month. Right. Yeah, Monday's the last day of the month. Okay. So you're going to have a bunch of things line up somewhat now. Bitcoin, this was super obvious. We've been saying this, like, if you're not doing exactly what I tell you, I don't know what else to tell. Like, I don't know what else to tell you, because I'm literally never wrong. Literally never wrong on the high time frames. Okay. So we knew it was going to fail. We shorted that level. It's still going to go lower. It's going to go for these lows. You should not be a crypto bull right now, right? What we can even do is potentially, we could potentially be day trading this down even lower, right? So let's draw some levels, maybe. Right, we got a level here. A monthly there. Yeah. So anyways, you've got quite the downtrend right now. So what you'd want to be doing is just looking for short entries on this, right? Same with gold, right? Gold, you should have shorted here, right? I'm in on a short on a prop account, right? Just something like that. So gold short, Bitcoin short, but Bitcoin we have to wait for an entry. So maybe we can short it if it comes up here and fails. That might be nice. NQ. Have anything on this? NQ, let's look at the NQ. Finally dumped off. Everything is bearish. Literally everything's bearish right now. Gold is probably going to switch back bullish, but everything is dumping. This is a pretty decent dump on the NASDAQ. Everyone is getting wrecked. We are not getting wrecked. We've lost a little bit of money, but
Dow at weekly level.
But that's a given, right? You'll lose money when things go down. You just want to not lose as much as the next guy, right? So Dow at a weekly level. Let's look at the Dow. I mean, not really. Like, so this isn't really going to matter. You've just got a massive rejection off the Dow here, right? So see if there's a monthly level. There's a monthly level it's coming down to. So this is the move. So you're probably, if you're looking at the Dow,
Oil is ripping.
probably something like this zone, right? The oil, yeah, oil's up once again. Okay, so there's a lot of things happening, dude. Like, everything is moving at the end of the week, at the end of the month, right? This is how the things work. So unfortunately, I can pretty much confirm at this point, unless something crazy happens on Monday, like Trump, potentially Trump makes an insane tweet that, you know, all of a sudden we found more oil or something like that, right? Unfortunately, we're going into a recession. Like, I've been calling this for the summer of 2026 for like 9 months or something, okay? And it's here, right? Oil's been ripping. We've just gotten confirmation, unless on Monday there's a massive candle that shoots down, right? We will be in a recession, because this is not something to take lightly, right? A giant pump like that looks like we might go into a very, very bad recession, right? When oil goes up, prices go up. When prices go up, it means people can't pay for their food and then they die. Right? What happened the last time there was a massive oil pump, okay? The 2008 financial crash, okay? So we are going into that recession now, right? This is the next financial crash, okay? This is going to be the AI bubble, right? We've been expecting this. You knew this was coming. If you're going to whine about it, that's your problem. You knew this was coming, okay? One thing I see every time oil rips, everything good is dead. Yeah. Everything runs on oil. So if oil is expensive, then everything is expensive. Trump is definitely going to say something during the weekend regarding the war. It's possible. If you, ideally, I do not want to make money on this oil trade, right? I'm up a ton on this oil trade. Maybe not a ton, but I'm up on this oil trade quite decently, right? I mean, I guess it's kind of a ton for how much I bet. I didn't bet very much. We entered down here, dude. We've been ripping this oil trade for a while. We should take a photo of that so far. I don't think there's not much money in there, but see if we should do some day trades. Let's watch Bitcoin. See if we can take a day trade. Oops, don't want to delete that. Let's look at this Bitcoin. And NQ going to Lats all-time high? Well, I don't know what you mean. Like, it's just wise to not be in on this market. Right? Like, it doesn't matter where it's going at this point. It's dumping hard enough that there's no point in you trying to buy this. Okay? It's the same with gold, right? It's the same with gold. What you do is you try to buy the first one, and then it doesn't hold, right? So this is what we did on gold, right? We bought the collapse, right? We did some like kind of in and outs here, right? And then we didn't hit our target. We tried to buy more here. It didn't go well, right? So we stopped. We stopped buying, right? And we dodged all of this loss. This would have blown everything, dude, right? We dodged all of that loss. So now what we're looking for is entry opportunities after we show a reason to get back in. There's no reason to be buying shit like this when it's dumping, right? There is a reason when you see these massive wicks. That's what you're going to look for on NQ. But there's no reason yet. It's not done dumping yet. So you would have, hey, maybe bought here, figured out that it failed, right? And then not bought there. It always gives you an opportunity to get out before the dump, right? You always have an opportunity to not lose money, okay? Let's see if we can day trade some NQ or something. Everything's going down, so what about oil going up, I guess? See any decent closes here? I don't really like trading oil. WTI. Yeah, looks like oil could push up more. Let's wait for a close here, maybe. Bitcoin. Should take a Bitcoin short. Oh, gold's coming down quite a bit. Should we take a Bitcoin short or NASDAQ short? I'm not sure. Like, NASDAQ's just going to keep dumping, dude. So probably NASDAQ. We can watch for some reactions. We can watch the 1 minute even. If shit's dumping this hard, we can just watch it. You guys want entertainment, so we got to watch the 1 minute. I know what you want.
There is a daily.
There's a daily on the NQ. Yeah, but it's just dumping so hard that, you know, this is, I mean, the thing is, there's so much noise that I suppose, yeah, this could be a daily right here, right? Decent eye, but I just have no, like, this is why I wouldn't be selling into a level. What we would do is we'd watch, and then we would just scalp this trend, right? That's all you have to do. We watch the 1 minute, maybe the 5 second chart. In theory, we could. I had this one going. 15-second chart, bro. Check this out. So choppy though. This is gold. We shorted gold. I shorted gold at the start of the stream. I remember words from you. If you trade the 1 minute, you must lose money. I mean, yeah, probably. You're probably losing money if you're trading the 1 minute.
Order filled.
You can use this for NQ. Just go on the NQ and look at it. 15-second chart. Let's see. There you go. If you guys want to see the chart. I don't recommend. This is ridiculous, but want to see if we can scalp it. They failed almost. All right, let's see if we can do this. This might be intense, actually. This might be fun. Do I have access? I don't know. I don't think I have access on TradingView to the 15-second chart. All right, can I do that? No, I don't. Wait, I need premium. I can just buy premium, but okay, let's try this. Let's try this for fun, okay? Ready? Okay, we're gonna I'm only gonna short though. Okay. It's Friday fun day, right? Okay, sell.
Order filled.
Okay, we're gonna go here. We're gonna go here. Let's go, baby. Range lock 15 in the 15-second.
Need some screaming with it.
I need some screaming. Bro, Hunter, are you betting there will be intervention on USD JPY on the weekend? There's what? I have never fucking ever looked at the yen. This is so insane, dude. Like, this is just pure gambling. This is just absolutely pure gambling. They lost a level.
Order filled.
There we go.
Order rejected.
Order rejected. Okay, they might come up to the next level now. I've been scrolling morning watching trading lives, and you have the highest win rate I've seen yet. Yeah, I mean, what I'm doing right now is not going to track on my win rate because this is retarded gambling. But you know why I have the highest win rate you've seen is because I swing trade. So all my swing trades are tracked there. My day trades would be like 60% probably, right? And right now we're just playing with the 15-second because I don't think I've ever done this because it's absolutely retarded. But what we can do is see. They failed all that. Somewhere in there they might reject. Do you think someone porting this position on their Maven of value? Yeah, that probably. I'm sure some people kind of copy me. I think this comes up more. Right now, NQ just tested a daily level. That's right. Yeah. Kind of. It went past the daily level, right? That's a daily level there. Unless we can do the... Here you go. Here's the actual daily level. If you use the real data. Real market hours are important. You can see that it tested it perfectly there, right? See how accurate that is when you use the real data and not the Globex data? Isn't that interesting? This is Bitcoin? No. NASDAQ. Okay, what we're going to try to do is we're going to try to pass this. We're going to try to...
Order filled.
Do you think... I want to just find one cell and just rip it, you think? I've only got $800 to risk on this account. Should we do it? None of this makes any sense, though, is the problem. 15-second makes no sense. I mean, I'm kind of following it, but not really. Hey, buddy. Meow, meow. I wanna short up here. Or wait for a, there you go, there's a rejection. Sell.
Order filled.
Let's do it. Let's try it. Sell.
Order filled.
Okay, let's go. Oh, that's not even that much. We can do another maybe. Sell.
Order filled.
Rejected. It should go for a new low, right? New low.
Bling.
Bling, bling, bling. Can you show how to change the real market data? You can Google that. Let's go, baby. Flatten.
Order filled.
There you go. Nice. Quick scalp. Boom! Best trader ever! Oh, I don't have time to trade today, boys. Anyways, I got things to do. And hopefully gold goes up, okay? NASDAQ's going down, Bitcoin's not going down. Everything's fucking absolutely collapsing. Good. We knew it. We knew it was going to. We told you long ago. If this is news to you, you're new here. Okay? We know everything's going to happen, okay? Gold blue is failing the daily currently. So what's going to happen probably, right? This is probably what's going to happen. We've failed all of this shit, okay? It's going to come down, right? The daily is going to close somewhat bullishly, okay? The weekly is going to close very bullishly, right? And then next week, it's going to do something like this, right? Wait. Next week, it's going to go low again, right? And then it'll go up. Simple. Simple. Okay? Something along those lines, okay? That's all for today. I'm going to do a quick giveaway. Let's do a really quick giveaway, okay? And then I have to fucking go. Things to do, bro. It's Friday. Means the market's almost closed. Everything's almost done. Okay, 5K instant account from Maven, okay? MavenTrading.com. Use code. Oh, here, wait. And I'm going to just go plus DMC. Wait. Plus code DMC, okay? Clear, oh, wait. Clear participants. Plus code DMC, right? I'm going to add something here too. The fuck? Fuck off. Download. PNG file. We can do a PNG. No, wait. PNG file. Image. There you go. Boom. Let's make this smaller. Okay, code DMC. There you go. Let's spin it. 10% off, Maven. Code DMC. Okay, 10% off. To draw a winner. Sweet. Okay, cool. HRB, Hati, whatever. Open up a ticket with Maven, bro. Sorry, guys. Anyways, I gotta get going. Okay, take care. Use code DMC. Hey, buggers. Meow, meow. Hi. You go out there? There you go, Bubs. Go on. Go on up.
Hey, Bobo, I love you, Mr. Bobo. Why? It's so nice out, isn't it? Yes, yes. Hey, chickens are having fun too? Chickens are having fun? You're having fun? Having fun? No, no, no. Good boy. I love you. I love you. Let's go to yoga, okay? Let's go to yoga. My live's still on. There's no way. Oh, that's so funny. I was talking to my cat.